So on behalf of the organizing committee, that is the Maukaton Sports Club, I would like to thank both the team, that is the Assam Rifles football team, as well as the Shillong Lajong Football Club, for having immensely and voluntarily participated in this one-day football match. And indeed, it's the first time for you to land in this playground, a natural playground here in Maukaton. And what we observe is the enthusiasm that both the teams have showcased in this one-day football match. So on behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to thank both the teams, right from the officials, the manager, the coach, the physio, and all the players who have contributed immensely to the success of this one-day football match. So before we hand over these two trophies, that is to the runners-up team as well to the winner of this one-day match, may I request one official from the Shillong Lajong Football Club and also one from Assam Rifles to please give an insight of what exactly you feel about today's match.
We expect that the Papa to the time to have the support, what in Malazong, Awan, the listening, and the match, come I'm seeing the ball of the time to be away. The next time, only she come up, Morgan Sport and some the club and Mankanele in the match, they are in Europe, all of the cannot become the time you away in Europe, the land, making the players to work from community, as some record, but many is wrong at all.
Shillong Lajong Football Club berbuat kita tiada berbuat kita jadi awak balik lekai tang kimadan plastik jadi kimadan kibat hamha balik kuih pat hapo ki jaga boper kebapilan batong kato kali sepang kabapiri hampa kali kimadan natural kabublei ulai kerpang jadi senong handi nom kendom kebapilan bansia.
Alright, ready for Commandant Helper, Shillong, you know, and practice in the artificial talk. The all players living, you know, and practice like artificial talk, and the one who Karamika, but you took a name, right? Have already got a leveling to the command, but Hampam, Hangi, Abano, thinking of long to the command, anyway, have a Tishale, Vanilla, Bukari, Command, and Bukari, Ham has to shoot to get. And how high you when you can avoid a big group that will become a military command natural. The next camp was sport club in Maukaton and maintain like how high to shoot. You know, the next year, how do we support? Yes, they can come high to shoot.
Kartu kami disombo aja perkat nilaiyo na coach John Shillong Lajong. So at this point of time, I request officials representing Assam Rifles to please come on stage. It's indeed a proud moment for you, sir, especially landing for the first time in this remote area, but where you have had the opportunity to play in a natural football ground. So what are your insight about today's match, sir?
I think this Maukaton for inviting this friendly match with Lajong. The problem we face in the match is that here we practice in the artificial ground, but here the difference is the ball is not growing smoothly, so the boys are facing much problem on the ground. But then they managed to play through 90 minutes, and then at the last, luckily they won the match in the penalty. But again, I think all the fans who turn out today is a very happy moment for us and for the whole Assam Rifles football team.
In one word, what can you express, especially for the villagers of this remote area here in Maukaton? What can you say just to share your insight, especially so that these villagers from this village can pull their socks in such a way that they will be able to do better in the future? What is in one sentence you can express?
To develop football, first we need to focus on a grassroots. Then from the grassroots, we can develop football.
Ipai ba bait baro kalong ke pendap jing kemen kam tabe ya kinong song sinong jong kamong katon lengba kedai jing wan yu kejap jong giri ya triki kebun ha kedai ski gila kermen skam bar kejing trailang jong pi kinong song sinong pinang yola ia kaban kling shu shu i babun ki kebun sia kedai kebadan direk kaya jong pi